Alright, this is just a quick video showing you how to manage the wholesale and dealer aspect of your website. So the settings are going to be under this wholesale tab here. So first I'll show you how to create universal discounts that apply to all your products, and then I'll show you various other types of discounts and different ways to set them up. So to start out with universal discounts that apply to all products on your site, we're going to come in here to the wholesale settings, and we're going to come to the pricing settings. Alright, so under the wholesale prices, there are a lot of default settings here that I won't go through specifically, but there are a lot of customization options here where you can set minimum order quantities and subtotals and such. But we're going to look specifically at the discounts here. So there are a number of different discount options that we can set up, starting with a general percentage discount. So we're going to select the wholesale role that this can apply to. If you come over here to the wholesale tab and go to roles, you're allowed to create additional dealer or wholesale roles if there are different tiers or different types of dealer users that you're going to have on your site. In this case, we'll just select the default, which is wholesale customer. And then we're going to enter the percent discount that we want, let's say 15%, and then we'll add mapping. So what this does is that it gives any user with the wholesale customer user role a general discount of 15% off every product. If we want, we can also create quantity-based discounts, and so this is based on how many of the items that they're purchasing. So this setting turns these discounts on or off, so you can configure these settings without actually enabling this, but we'll go ahead and enable it. And then here you can decide whether you want this discount to be based on the quantity of individual products or the quantity of all products in the cart. So we'll leave this unchecked for now. We're going to map this to the wholesale customer, and then we can choose the starting quantity, like let's say if they purchase at least 25, and then it goes all the way to say 49, and then we can create another tier for 50 and up. Let's say if they purchase at least 25, though, they will get an additional 25% off, and then we'll add the mapping, and then you could create an additional one. Like let's say this one's 52.99, and we can make this a 35% discount. We need to specify the wholesale role as well. Add mapping, and there we go. It also allows you to edit or delete existing mappings over there on the side. And then finally down here we have the cart subtotal discounts. So this allows you to create a discount based on the subtotal. So like if you wanted to create a promotion, spend $150 or more and get an additional 10% off, that can be configured here in the same way as the others. And then when you've done this, also make sure that you click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page to save your changes. So that's how to set global discounts that apply to all products and all of your wholesale users. The next thing I want to show you is how to create discounts based on product category. So if we only want the discount to apply to a specific category, come over here, hover over the Products tab, come here to Categories. And then let's say under Category 1, so in this field right here, we can set, say, for example, a 15% discount. And then we want to apply it specifically to the wholesale customer. Then we can click Update, and that will create a 15% discount for dealers only on this particular product category. So any product that falls under this category will get a 15% discount. And then you also have this checkbox here to enable quantity-based discounts on the category as well, and it will bring up options very similar to the ones that are on the global discount area, but these will only apply to this particular product category. And then as always, once you've configured your settings the way you want them, make sure you click Update to save your changes. And then lastly, on discount types, let's look at how to set a discount on a specific product. So we've got two different types of products here, and I've already opened the product editors in a new tab, but I'm just doing that like there. This product is a variable product, and so we'll start actually with this simple product here. So if I want to create a wholesale discount just for this particular product, that gets set down here on the General tab. So under this wholesale prices area, this is the regular price for the product, and then you can also set a sale price here. And then under here is where we set the wholesale price. So I can create a fixed discount of a particular amount, like say $10 off, and it will create a dollar-based discount. You can also create a percentage discount here, and then it will automatically calculate what the ending price will be. And then you can also set minimum order quantities for just the specific product. And then down here you can create a quantity-based discount, just like on the global settings and on the category settings. And the options are very similar here. And then once again, once you've configured these, make sure you click the update button to save your changes. If you're working with a variable product, which has multiple different options under the single product, the wholesale settings will actually be under the variations. So if we look at, say, the small variation here, we can set a wholesale price just for this particular variation. So I can set a percentage or a fixed dollar amount based discount, as well as doing quantity based discounts, and I can also configure minimum order quantities for just this particular variation. And once again, we'll save our changes. So that's how to set universal discounts, discounts on particular product categories, and discounts on individual products. Lastly, we'll look at how to approve wholesale customers. Because when customers apply to be a dealer or a wholesale customer on your website, you will have the opportunity to approve or deny that application before they get access to your wholesale pricing. So once they submit an application, you'll get an email prompting you to confirm or deny the application, and you'll be able to do that directly from that email, but you can also do it from here in the admin dashboard. So if you come over here to the user section, and then we look at unapproved users in particular. So when they sign up, it will come in like this, and their status will show as unapproved, and you can click into that and see what information they provided in their application, and then you can choose to approve or reject straight from the screen. If you choose approve, their status will change over here to active, and then they will have access to the wholesale discounts. In addition to this, you also have the ability to edit their user directly and modify the wholesale settings that are set universally. So if you want to override the minimum order quantity or the minimum order subtotal or the types of discounts that they offer, you are able to manually configure those for an individual user if you have a different agreement with that particular user. So that's about it. Hopefully this is helpful. Thanks.